Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are watching video with me on Visual Studio .NET 6.0 Part 3. Here we will try to do something. Let me show you the video and based on this we can understand. Here we have run these things and we know while we are running we find these jokes up, then the home, then the privacy, jokes. If you click these jokes, we can find we have the create new. Here I have written some jokes are there, but here the answer is coming here also. I want to remove this column so that whenever only the question will be there, if somebody is interested, he can click these details and he can see the things. Fine. So this is one thing. Second thing, you can check it here. You are having the register and login page also. So till now, only it is coming the joke question, joke answer, and also the different thing, edit details and delete. But now I want who the author, who the owner of this joke, his email ID and something is to be also shown there. Okay. For this, what you need to, so two things we want to do in this video. First one, I want to remove this column here. The jokes answer should not be there. Whenever I create a new jokes, then it will not show there. Only details should be there. If somebody go for the details, then it will show like this. Fine. So this is my idea. Now for this, what you have done, first we started our Visual Studio. In this Visual Studio, if you sit here, yeah, it's not necessary. I think this you can put it here, and we go to the Solution Explorer here. In the Solution Explorer, first we go to the index.cshtml. This index.cshtml, if you check it here, we are having the table header. Uh, See here. First of all, in the table header, jokes question is there and jokes answer is there. So I don't want this one. So this joke answer just I delete here. Just you press the delete fine. So it is deleted. Similarly, for each here it will display each row there. So for that I don't want this jokes answer here. So no table data. You know that table is TS is the table header and TD the table data. So table data in the table header also I don't want to show that joke answer, and table data also for each means it has to show all the data items. So that also I want to delete it here. Okay. So now I deleted these two things also. So once you have done all things and you save it, now I can save it. Control S, I saved it here. So after saving, once I try to run this program, close it here and run this program. Now you can go back there and you can check it there. Yeah, it's running. Fine. It is skipping. Another get the speed. It takes yes. Fine. Zero error. Some warning is there. Don't worry for this warning at this stage. So we can set it here and the output will come here. Yeah. So you can see it here. When I go for this jokes here, you can check it here. Yeah. So opening. See the middle one, the joke answer and everything is disappearing. And I want to see the details here. If you click the details, you can check the details. So the question work, joke question is my hen laid an egg in your garden. That is my egg or yours? So it's simply the egg of the hen because you cannot lay an egg, I cannot lay an egg. It is my hen, it is fine. It laid an egg in your garden, that is fine. But that is the egg of the hen. Okay, it is a joke, so nothing serious about that one. So these are the things we can do, right? Then while you are going for this thing, searching also you have already checked it there. While you are going for searching, suppose related say hen is there. So once I go on searching for this hen, you can see it is showing the it is related to hen it is there because if you see a hen what is there, so it is searching. Fine. So if you go for the searching of a new one, say suppose I want to go for something rabbit or a rabbit rabbit. So a rabbit so joke is not there. So if I put it there, so it is blank. No joke is coming here. Fine. So this is one thing. The second part of these things I told you that we are going for this login. So if you see while you are going for the registration, here you can go for the registration. Suppose I put it here something Dr. Jijana Dr. Jijana gmail.com gmail.com. Okay, so fine. Then password also you can put something. Fine. So then the moment I register. Oh, confirm password also you have to put it. Okay, fine. So now once I register, password must have at least one uppercase and all things. Okay, we'll follow all things. At least one uppercase. Okay, okay. So then the same thing I'm trying to type here. Fine. So when I register, uh, so it has registered. Register confirmation is okay. It is asking, do you want to save it? You can save it or you can delete it. That choice is yours. It not usually click here to confirm. Yeah. Normally this should be emailed. Click here to confirm. Yes. So yeah. So it is me. Thank you for confirming this email. So there is no problem on that one. So now while I am going for this login, in the login, uh, we have to go for that login, and it has to go for the authentication authorization for that. Okay. So for that we have to little modify our coding here. So for while going for modifying this coding, we can go to the solution explorer here. In the solution explorer, you go to the controller. Controller, you can see the controller, and jokes controller dot cs, you can come here, right? So here, you see, we have to go for, see, as different places are there. So at, I think the 62, you can check it here, get. So yeah, suppose 62, something like that. So get jokes, okay. 56 here, anyway it is get jokes. Why you are going for the great jokes, and only a single word you have to put it here. The just like put it authorize, okay. Here, just after this you create it authorize, okay. So just you put it here, enter, and you put it here, and authorize, auth r i z, fine. So authorize, okay. So once you are going for this authorize, it is asking you, mm, so authorize could not be found. So right click, uh, okay. So potential fixes here, okay. So this is the first one that you have to put it here. The authorize that, some it is coming, it will go, okay. So these are the things we just copied here, fine. So just copy, copy, and some other places you have to put it here. After the post, you can check it here while you are going for this post. At the end of this post here, same thing you can put it here. Here you can put it here, and end it here. Control V. So you can authorize here. Similarly, we can go for certain things like get jokes edit file. At the end also you can go for the control V authorization, authorize, then jokes edit type also at the end of this line. Here also you can put it control V, this is also authorized. Okay, so like that, only one word only you have to change it here. So remaining everything, delete file, also it is asking you to authorize control V. So I think the post jokes delete file also, this also, you can put it authorize control V. So all things you authorize, okay. So then it is fine. Everything is fine. So only these are the some of the places. So you go for this validation of all the things. Then control S. Okay, control S. Save it here. Now I save it here, and yeah, and I try to run it here one more time. Okay. So once you run this program, now what it is running. Okay, done. Fine. So it is also coming. Just wait 1 minute. Yeah, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's coming. Now it's coming. So now, while I am going for the jokes, okay, are you following me? Yeah. So he is asking create a new joke. I'm trying to create a new joke. Then immediately it is asking, because if you are authorized person only you can create a joke. So I created the email ID, drdizana@gmail.com. Password also I put it here, doesn't matter, login. So now it is showing, write what is your job question and what is your job questions. My job question is, say, we can put anything. Say why stars, why stars are not visible in the day. Okay. Why stars are not visible in the day? That is a question. So, suppose I do not know the answer, I am not a science student. So I just will tell that uh, they go for office work, office work during during day. Okay. So this is the reason, because they're working or they go for their office work during. That is the reason that's why there. So once I create it here, see, can you see it here? So when this is created, then you want to see the details here. Why stars are not visible in the day? Because they go for the office work during the day. So these are the things you can do, and we have done it here also. Fine. So I So you can check it here now. If you see here, even if the, yeah, just one minute. So even if whenever I'm logging in, the name is also, the email address is calling hello.gmail.com. So if you want to log out also, you can log out, and you want to create a question. So suppose I want to log out here, I log out. Okay, you can log out, and then you are again coming to these things. Suppose I want to create a joke again here. So click it here and create a new key here also. Then in that case, you have to again use the email ID and password. You can remember, and all things you can do it here. Suppose I put it here, my email ID, something like that, Dr. Vina, because already I put it there. Say I logged in. So then you are there. You can enter the name of the joke question and joke answer. So in this way, you can do all things whatever you like. And even if also we can use that one here, who is the author, that or the user, something like that, the email ID also can come it here, that we can see in some other videos. So in this way we can do a lot of things, and I hope in this around 10 minutes video, you have the complete knowledge about how to use this ASP.NET 6, especially the MVC model view controller, to create some application regarding the jokes. Anyway, I have taken the reference from this net also. It is not that the entire thing I have developed. So thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also uh, take care of your health. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.